Hey fellow viewers, today's video is dedicated to an issue many of you might have encountered, the dread fast scroll problem with your mouse. I know how frustrating it can be, but worry not because I've got the ultimate fix for you. Stick around as I walk you through a quick and easy solution to ensure smooth scrolling and enhance your overall user experience. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Let's dive in. The first thing I'm gonna show you here, I'm just browsing the YouTube over here, and also I'm gonna show you, just click on the Windows icon. If you are using the Windows 10 or Windows 11, it will work in both operating system because both operating system have the almost same configurations and interface, so it's easy. Just go into the settings and then type here the mouse settings and hit enter. Now you'll see here the mouse settings, just click on it. Alright, now this is the cursor speed. I'm highly recommending, guys, please don't change this one because the default mouse setting is working very well for gaming as well. And if you see here, choose how many lines to scroll each time. So a lot of people are using it on 100% by mistake, or sometimes third-party applications, modifications, software or tools adjust it. So it will look like when you scroll just R-tab and it's just jumping around, even though it's happening in games as well. So you can just fix it. Just by default with Windows, it's come with 3.3 and it's kind of smooth, but I like to use it on 1, even though while playing games it's more benefit, and while scrolling on YouTube it's more helpful. So 1 is more smooth if you feel this like. So yeah, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.